Hi, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will be taking a look at how you can use Zendesk and how you can go through with that platform. We're gonna review the application, the website. So let's get started. Let's get into it. First, you all need to know what is basically Zendesk. Zendesk is an American company headquartered at different Kansas. I don't know how to pronounce that word, but it's a little bit complicated. Californians provide software as a service product that related to customer support, sales, and other customer communications. The headquarters was based on San Francisco, and Zendesk was founded in the Denmark in 2007 by three friends. The names Martin, Alexander, and Mikkel. The founder started developing the Zendesk software. Initially, Zendesk was funded by co-founder with each doing consulting job to support their families. With a couple of months of the Zendesk software as a service product being released as fall of 2007 and at about 1,000 trials consumer. Now globally, it's become approximately $10.2 billion annual revenue. So the reason I'm telling you that the annual income, the annual generation, to get their funding is approximately 10.2, is a huge amount. So you can just predict that it's a best website to go through if you gonna go with that platform. Now, so all you need to do is to go on Google and type zendesk.com. Once you're done, you will see the landing page like this. This is the official page. um you will see champions of customer service. Okay, champions. Okay, so Zendesk makes customer service better. We build software to meet the customer needs, set your team for success, and keep your busy in sync. We have the free trial, we have demo account over here. On the top of options, you will see different options: product, pricing, solutions, demo, resources. But we're gonna review that application first. We go through with that, take a quick tour. Yeah, we're gonna go with that. The best way to learn about Zendesk is to experience like customer, to see yourself for how Zendesk make customer experience easy. All right, you will see three different templates. I'm gonna say these are different offers. So how you become an industrial leader, how can separate the kindness, and what's new with that. You can access your company customer experience, find out how you stack up against the leaders, and get a personalized report. You can join us for a noble cause. We help refugees around the world, and we will donate on the behalf of the international rescue community. You can get the Twitter announcement plus a recap of 2022 biggest product hits, where good conversation become great experience. Okay. To make customer happy, we need conversational experiences, connected communication across any channels. You can give customer the best support. Now, the customer wants to connect anytime, any place, meet them where they revert the Zendesk suits, and which provide sophisticated, seamless support that follows across channel. And wherever your customer starting is to support them, that's all managed by only the platform which is called Zendesk. Now I will see that the lady named Patrick Wondren, the head of customer service Starling Bank in San Francisco. You can customize your customer experience. You will get hashtag one in digital customer service gets by the Gartner. It's a name of, I'm gonna say it's a brand Gartner. Okay. The best customer experience are built with tax. You will see a different companies offering the sponsorships. Go.pk and Australia and different companies. So you can see all the customer stories that these are the recommendations really if we go with that platform. So now let me just go on top of website. You can just contact it, you can view the demo, you can start a free trial over here. Just simply click on that. You will get the first email. You have to create all the information with that. Setting up your trial will make a few moments, but ultimately you will be worth that. You have to wait for a while. It will take some few moments. But and yeah, after that you will get your profile over here. You and then you can go with that platform. You will see what kind of options they have for you. So this is how you can go with that platform. Once you done with that platform, just let me know in the comments. And if you like that video, make sure you subscribe this channel, and I will catch you on the next video. Thank you.